What's going on, guys? Your boy crumbly here, back with another one. Today's resale project, we're doing something a little bit different. Got an old pair of Nike sneakers in, and these have had some better days. We're going to be ripping these right down to the bare bones, making a unique, one-of-a-kind custom. So guys, join us today. One-of-a-kind Nikes on their way. Alright, so we're going to begin the breakdown process on these Nikes. As you can see here, we've got a lot of cracking and perishing from the original soles. Bit of a shame, I've had these since 2019. Did wear them probably every day for the last 2 years, so they have had a lot of use out of them. Unfortunately, soles are still in pretty good condition. There's a lot of wear left, but this is our main issue, cause for concern. So we're going to be ripping these all down, taking everything off that's at the bottom here. We're going to get a nice clean surface to work with, build up something brand new, something unique. I'm sure you'll like the way it comes out. Alright guys, let's start. Now I've seen a few videos online of people breaking down these shoes, taking off the old soles. What their method that I've seen quite often use is they pour hot boiling water into the inside of the shoe, and that releases all the glues. The only issue I have with that is it's going to make the complete bottom wet, so it's just going to take a long time for it to dry. Once it's dry, then we can work on it, but that's really going to slow down the process. So the way I do it is I'm just going to pop off all these old stitches. We're going to heat up the sides with the heat gun, and then we should be able to get a nice pry apart from the sole from the uppers. So we're just going to go around one by one and break all these old stitches. And then we should be able to release it from the uppers very shortly. So we've removed all the old stitches from the shoe, and we've got a little bit of separation already from the toe area. However, the back is still heavily secured with all the glues, so we're just going to hit that with the heat gun, and we'll pry this all apart. Let's go. Alright guys, so that's us completely done with this badass project. I have to say I've absolutely fallen in love with these shoes. Can't wait to get them back on my feet. My pride and joy, back better than ever. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for checking these videos out. You guys are legends, each and every one of you. Mad respect to you. If you like what you see here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash a little like, drop me a little comment below, let me know what you think about the job. And until the next one, I've been called the G, you've been legends. Peace.